Today on CJ Off-Road, we're going to be checking out a product from Poison Spyder Customs. Now this is their fire extinguisher mount. It's going to allow you to mount up to a 5-pound fire extinguisher in the back end of your JK or JL Wrangler. It has some super adjustable straps and it's extremely durable and going to look great in the back end of your Jeep. Now you guys know that Poison Spyder makes some of the best armor on the planet, but they also make some products like this. It's going to help you increase your safety and enjoyment out of your Jeep Wrangler. We're going to throw it on the back of our 2012 and show you guys what it looks like. To get this mounted, we've loosened up the straps on the backside. Now you're going to know it's the backside because the Poison Spyder logo will face out towards you. What you're going to do is find a nice spot on the roll cage wherever you'd like to mount this. And then I'm just going to loosely put these on here. I like to go right underneath the rear seat belt. Seems like a nice spot for it. That's where I run it on my Jeep, so might as well do the same on this one. Get those through. You can get on these pretty good too. They're super durable straps, so you don't have to worry about ripping them or anything like that. They're not gonna. That last third one on there, that one's gonna go around the bottom. Make sure you don't interfere with your seatbelt there. You can actually go up just a tad bit. But yeah, this thing is super adjustable too. So once you have that all mounted up, what you'll do is loosen up these straps here and get your 5-pound fire extinguisher and mount it inside. I'm gonna go grab that quick and we'll show you guys how that looks with everything finished up. Everything is mounted up, guys. We have a 2.5-pound fire extinguisher on here. Obviously, as you can see, it's a little bit small. However, we do carry some nice 5-pound extinguishers here at CJ's. You can pick them both up right at the exact same website and make sure that your Jeep, as well as anyone with you when you're out on the trail or on the highway, is gonna be safe from a fire. Now, you don't want that to happen, but if it does, at least you've got everything in the back to be safe. Many off-road trails actually require a fire extinguisher in your Jeep to have on at all times. This is a great product to get that on there for a nice price and throw an extinguisher on there and you'll be good to go. Now, if you want to find any of these products we talked about today, as well as many other great parts for your Jeep Wrangler, be sure to check us out at cjponyparts.com.